Thanks for joining this screener newsletter. In this video, we are going to be locating a specific subset of funds that are available through a specific broker. And that subset of funds are going to be socially responsible funds. The reason we're doing this is because a handful of clients over the last couple of months have come to us and basically asked what the best way to locate socially responsible funds in YCharts is. And in this video, we're going to do just that. So without further ado, let's click into the Fund Screener by hovering over Tools and clicking on Fund Screener. From here, let's first modify that fund universe to the specific broker that we're dealing with. And we'll do this by clicking on Modify Fund Universe, clicking on Brokerage Availability, then just type searching whatever broker we use. So in this example, I'm going to use TD Ameritrade, select that from the results, and then click Submit. And just like that, all the fund results are going to be funds available through TD. And to then hop into the socially responsible designation, we'll again jump into Modify Fund Universe, select Attributes, and within Attributes, you'll see that this is where the socially responsible tag is housed. After clicking Submit, that list will then narrow down to the socially responsible funds within the TD Ameritrade universe. And from here, we can then apply another universe filter depending on what type of exposure you're going for, whether that be a specific sector, industry, equity style. In this particular example, I'm going to go with that equity style route and click back into Modify Fund Universe, category name, US fund categories, and select large growth. After doing so, I'll have 26 results, and from here, I can even remove duplicates to narrow this field down to 18. And I want to remove those duplicates because I'm going to apply a quick scoring model to then rank these funds, who are fitting of all three criteria above: large growth, socially responsible, and available through TD. And that scoring model is going to be this recent performance that I already have saved down. And you'll see that I'm taking into account the 3-month, 1-year, 5-year total return ranking category, as well as the expense ratio ranking category. Adding that column and then sorting by the column will give me a great starting place to then dive into each particular fund, or maybe the top 3, to perform some further research, such as making sure the sector exposure is where I want it to be, the stock market capitalization, and again, perform that further research to make sure that this is investable. If you have any questions regarding scoring models, you'll be able to hover over Support and click on Support Topics to find some videos and articles related to creating scoring models to be able to quickly rank funds that you're screening for, like I did just a second ago. Separately, if you have any questions regarding how to find these socially responsible funds, screening, or anything YCharts related, hover over Support and click on Contact Us to get in contact with your support representative.